Que paso, people? My computer, look. It's been spinning like this for the last 10 minutes now. Love Microsoft updates. The only thing that's updating is my patience, because I'm ready to throw the damn thing in the garbage. So, Steve-O needed me to go live. I'm live. As soon as this shit goes, my computer goes on. I was just woken up. I was out cold. Things are good here. So, not tired enough to do this though. 5 of these. 5 Panini Prizm Basketball 2018-19. Got a lot of prisms in there. Ton of prisms, so hold on to your horses. Hold on to your horses. Still spinning. You're getting sleepy. Spinning. Hypnosis. Alright, we're waiting. We are logging in live here on the East Coast. Don't even know what time it is anymore. It feels like 3 in the morning. I think it's about 10:45. The reason why I'm tired is I became a coach. Actually, I'm helping coaching, not the coach, of my best friend's son's baseball team. Good bunch of kids. Good team. We did well in the draft. We drafted nice boys. Good ball players. And some of them know each other. Some of them are from different schools, which is important to know people from other schools, and very proud of them. Day one wasn't really a practice. It was just like a meet and greet and throw the ball around. And, you don't realize how out of shape you are until you start playing with 13, 15-year-olds. Well, it's 12-year-olds, 13-year-olds. It could have been, might as well been the NBA. I mean, might as well been professional. It was good to see. It's good to see them out there. And you know what? It's still cold, but we went out there anyway. Froze our asses off. But you know what's not working? Maybe this computer's just as much out of shape as I am. Whenever I see update and shut down your laptop, whenever I see that, I know it's just hell to pay the next time I turn it on. It's ridiculous. What are you updating? It's fine. It works. Stop. So what are you updating? It's annoying. People are justifying their jobs. It's annoying. Okay. Steve is, hopefully everybody's paying, and so we can start playing. Sorry about that. Oh my god. Let's see if I just lean it back. Do I have to hold it every time? Can I lean it back? Okay. Michelle, Matt, Yurick, ¿Qué pasa? Just waved. Thank you for popping in. You know my day's not complete until you're here. Michelle, Matt, York, you want to see something? You want to see something very annoying? You want 7%? It's a countdown, people. It's a countdown. Breaking news, you're going to hear it here first. Odell Beckham still traded. Still not on the Giants. Also, Zion Williams cleared to play. You know what? I'm tired of people. You know what I'm tired of people? Oh, don't play, you know. You're going to mess up don't play, you're going to hurt yourself. Listen. He's young. He's a kid. Yes. There's a risk of getting hurt. Yes, there's a risk of never being able to play again. Yes, there's a risk of losing hundreds of millions of dollars. Yes, there is. Okay? But this is life. you're never going to have this chance again. Take it from somebody who's out of college and well into his career. Play the sport. I would love to be in March Madness. You know, I don't know how many 6 foot heavyset Italians are in March Madness. I would love to be in March Madness. Play the sport. Have fun. Get out there. Make memories. There's plenty of time to make money. Whether it's $100 million or not, whatever. You know, not too many people can do that. So, enjoy yourself. Do well. Have fun. Join the pros. Make millions. And, you know what? Life's short. Don't worry about shit like that. Play the sport. As I'm bullshitting, only at 30%. That's actually how much energy I have left in the day anyway. I'm about 30% right now. So, me and the computer, we have a lot of things in common. We're both tired. See that? Imagine, I didn't even play sport. I coached. I'm tired. That's what happens when you get older. Coaching, you're tired. Uh-oh, restarting. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. We're getting there. Steve hasn't texted me yet. So I don't even know if we... Oh, computer went dark. Bueller. Crowd control to Major Tom. Houston, we have a problem. The guys at Best Buy. Buy this laptop, HP. Good laptop. Good laptop. Oh yeah, no. It's fast. Yeah, no, it's a good one. Throw your money in the garbage. Yeah, buy this one. Buy that box. There's the box. There you go. Buy that one. Good laptop. Waiting. Still waiting. But, anyway. It's today, Thursday. You know what today is? Today's Friday Eve. Friday Eve. Love Friday Eve. Love it. Been a long week. You know what? Friday's coming. Actually, Friday's almost here. I don't know about you guys. I don't know if you work the weekends, but I ain't working this weekend. And I am happy as hell that in an hour and a half it'll be Friday. Friday's a special day in this house. Friday's like a breath of fresh air. A butterfly landing on a flower. It's a beautiful thing. I love Fridays. Steve wanted me to go live to send links. Some people know. I guess there are a lot of new clients. Michael Migliari waving his ass too. What's up, buddy? Listen, we're on this temporarily. We're waiting for our laptop, which I've been painstakingly describing. When this thing logs in, then I'll log off this. I'll log off this cell phone and log on that. I'm good to go. Jesus Christ, we're good to go. All right, everybody paid. So what I'm going to do, and I'm 20% low on this battery. Beautiful. I'm going to prep these boxes. That's what I'm going to do. While we wait. Do the old prepper steam. Plus, we want to thank Panini. Ooh, getting ready to start. 92% left on my phone. Yay! 92%. Who's that? Adam Joseph is watching. Well, Adam Joseph, thank you for watching. I feel like you guys are like stalking me like I'm in the shower. You're watching me through my window. Believe me, you don't want to watch me through my window. You'll be ruined for life. Your eyes will show you things that you'll never thought are humanly possible. My computer's 100% on, 100% complete. Still telling me not to turn it off. Apparently it's still going on. Okay, computer is active. Let's see something. Can I turn one on? Oh, well, this is still on. Is that possible? I don't know. Okay. Panini ever send the cutters? Yes, I spoke to them. They sent them. Maybe UPS. They sent them UPS never, or UPS ground. He said he sent them, and he also said he sent me a T-shirt. We might have to work that T-shirt into a giveaway, or maybe I'll wear it. But I don't think he got my size right. Big Italian guy. You don't want any part. That's many shirts fit me. Steve's at a beautiful weight for a young female. Got a nice little body on him for a female. Steve. Steve is the female of the group. Yes. We're transgender friendly here at Triforce. We don't mind. I know. Microsoft problems. I know. Account problems. This problem, that problem. Okay, we're logging in, people. Look at that. See that? We are logging in. Look at that. I pressed the button. See that in the bottom in there? See that? Look how fast my computer is. I don't know if this is an anti-HP commercial, but I don't want it to be. But it's just this thing is so slow. I will obviously not touch these cards until I'm ready to break them. There they are, though. I'm gonna wave it at them. ¿Qué pasa? Okay, still waiting. How do we type? Can I type it in? Not yet. Oh, there you go. I can type. Oh. It's talking to me. I'm thinking I should get time and a half for the amount of time I put in on this computer. I'm gonna put in for a raise at Triforce. I'm gonna ask for a raise. I'm gonna put that in their suggestion box. I'd like to have a raise in the salary increase. Come on, people. No whammies, no whammies. Stop. We're almost there. We have a lot of, I know, all these. Renew, no, I don't want to renew. All this bullshit. Alright, this thing's going to log on in about 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 1. 1. There you go. Alright, on the live video. Okay, let's get the camera going. There it is. I'm gonna